Friends, welcome back. Today's video is Taablescape Tuesday, and our hosts are Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel, and we have Miss Courtney from Anthea's Adventures. Thank you, ladies, for hosting Taablescape Tuesday. Friends, as you go along with me, I'm just making it simple and elegant, and it's just going to be a table for two. And a lot of times I do a setting for two because it's just me and my husband here, and I made it so easy. And guys, sometimes, I just don't overdo it, but there's times, you have to go a little extra. So I hope you enjoyed this on today, and I will share with you everything I have on this table. Thank you so much for joining me. Friends, as I share with you the tips to setting a beautiful tablescape, do what you like in your home, whatever your style might be. If it's bohemian, glam, farmhouse, just anything traditional. Guys, use what you have and just mix it up with some of the high-end dishes. And friends, that's all you have to do. I'm telling you, everything comes out beautiful. And the main reason for these Tablescape Tuesdays is just to give you some creative ideas right at home. Or if you decide to do something during the holidays, guys, you will love it. Now, these beautiful plates I'm showing you, they're like a marble plate. I bought those about a few years ago from Home Goods. And those are my beautiful thrift finds. And I didn't want to put the plate on top because they have such a beautiful pattern. These I got from At Home store in Maryland when I was on vacation. Love those. And those beautiful mats I bought this week from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is having a 40% off sale, so it was pretty cheap. It wasn't expensive at all. So I just pick up little things here and there to change things up. Thank you so much to all my faithful friends. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know that you are here. And friends, my centerpiece is what I already had because I have it on my credenture. And I just kind of move things around sometimes when I'm decorating. And these flowers I bought from Hobby Lobby. A few in there's from the Dollar Tree. That beautiful black vase. Guys, I bought that from Hobby Lobby. All these things are on sale. I love me a sale. Those beautiful glasses I got from Ross. The black napkin holders I bought from Hobby Lobby, and those was a few years ago. So it's nothing expensive, really, guys, to be honest with you. Everything I bought here, if it was new, right now it's probably under $20. Sometimes I just grab some things just to add here and there. But thank you so much, and continue to watch, and I'll be back. So I'm going to let you look at this to music. But thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoying this. Friends, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy and got something inspirational out of this. And know that I'll leave you some more videos to watch if you have the time. Thank you so much for commenting, liking, and subscribing. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny.